Welcome back, gamers! Video game did you think we'd get through today without talking about the Nintendo Switch 2? I thought we might, but here we are with some exciting news about Nintendo's future. Glowing Star. Recent lawsuit. Our last video covered Nintendo's lawsuit over Switch emulation, playing games early, and linking to ROMs. Now, let's dive into something entirely different, Nintendo's next big step. Switch 2 manufacturing insights. Yesterday, we discussed shipping data showing Nintendo is mass manufacturing individual components, a precursor to mass assembly. This is crucial because assembly means completed units are ready. Nintendo won't leave 1 million Switch 2s in a warehouse for a year. The batteries would degrade, impacting the launch. Video game battery. Analyzing Nintendo's data. Thanks to FWD-BWD on family boards, we can analyze Nintendo's fiscal year semi-ending report. This data gives us a clear picture of what's happening with Switch 2 production. Bar chart. Historical comparisons. In the past, Nintendo ramped up production during key releases like the Switch OLED Edition and Switch Lite. Current inventory levels are similar, indicating that Switch 2 is likely nearing assembly and launch. The Nintendo Switch 2. With recent data and reports, it's clear that Nintendo is making significant strides toward the launch of their next-gen console. Let's dive right in. Glowing Star. Manufacturing insights. It appears that Nintendo has ramped up production significantly. Recent data indicates that their work-in-progress inventory has hit an all-time high, even surpassing the levels seen during the pandemic and prior to the release of the Switch Lite and OLED models. This suggests that Nintendo has likely started assembling the Switch 2. Chart increasing. Public data analysis. Thanks to the analysis from FWD-BWD on family boards, we can see that Nintendo's raw materials and work-in-progress inventory are abnormally high. This is a strong indicator that the Switch 2 production is in full swing. Bar chart. Assembly and scalping prevention. Nintendo's focus on mass production is a strategic move to counter scalping. By ensuring a substantial supply of Switch 2 units at launch, they aim to meet the high demand and minimize the impact of scalpers. Hammer and Wren. Historical comparisons. Looking back, similar production increases were seen before the release of the Switch OLED and Switch Lite. The current levels are even higher, pointing to an imminent launch of the Switch 2. Joystick. Future launch. Nintendo President Furukawa's strategy includes having a significant number of units ready for the biggest launch in Nintendo history. This aligns with the high inventory levels, suggesting that the Switch 2 could have the most successful launch day ever for Nintendo. Rocket. Conclusion. In summary, the data strongly indicates that the Nintendo Switch 2 is on its way, with mass production already in progress. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest news on the Switch 2. Bell.